Hello and welcome to Wagner's Tech Talk. Thank you so much for visiting. Here you'll find a number of videos on all kinds of different technology topics,
including retro gaming, including portable handheld devices, single board computers, virtual reality, product reviews, inventions that I've created, and anything that I think you might love. Technology is continuously evolving, and this channel will continue to do so as well. I do my best to show you the latest and greatest technologies, tutorials, introductions, and advanced capabilities into the technologies that I can bring to you. Some are modern, some are retro, but all are impressive in their own way. Absolutely no technology is off the table here. You can also visit wagnerstechtalk.com for more in-depth tutorials, resources, and information into the technologies you are most interested in. If you are hunting for a specific topic that you can't find here today, drop me a comment in any video. I respond to a large number of comments I receive on the channel, and if I don't know the answer, I'll try to point you in the right direction. It's just another way that I hope you'll find this channel informative and exciting for the tech you're passionate about.
Thank you for tuning in to Wagner's Tech Talk. If you find something really exciting, be sure and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to talking with you very soon.